Hi, I'm Rodney, and I'm excited to introduce to you Serenity, a community designed for active adults who want to enjoy a vibrant, low-maintenance lifestyle in Paulding County. Serenity is more than just a neighborhood. It's a welcoming 55-plus community designed for connection and relaxation. Here, neighbors can quickly become friends, whether they enjoy a round of golf, gathering at the covered pavilion, or staying active with pickleball and walking trails. With a community pool and clubhouse, residents can unwind, socialize, and enjoy the best of low-maintenance living. And with lawn care included, you'll have more than enough time to embrace the things you love. And when it's time to head home, you'll love Serenity's beautifully designed ranch-style homes, offering spacious, first-floor living, bright open layouts, and modern features. With 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car garage, these homes are designed with your comfort in mind. With granite countertops and stainless steel appliances included, you can enjoy a sleek, move-in ready space from day one. Convenience is key at Serenity. Shopping, dining, and everyday essentials are just minutes away at 7 Hill Station and Lakeside Marketplace, with options like Publix, Kroger, Walmart, Target, and Michaels. Plus, great restaurants like Longhorn Steakhouse, Downtown Eats, and Franklin's Cafe are close by, along with WellStar Paulding and North Georgia Medical Centers for all your healthcare needs. Looking for entertainment? Downtown Dallas is full of charm with local shops, restaurants, and a weekend farmers market offering fresh produce and artisan goods. Throughout the year, the town hosts exciting events like Food Truck Fridays, 4th of July concerts and fireworks, and the Pumpkin Festival. Perfect opportunities to make memories with family and grandkids. And don't forget, the Paulding County Senior Center is just 15 minutes away, where you can enjoy exercise classes, card games, line dancing, and day-to-day night trips. Perfect for staying active and making new friends. Ready to embrace the low-maintenance active adult lifestyle you deserve? Schedule your visit today. I can't wait to welcome you home to Serenity.